not very scary.
Hey everybody, it's Fipperit. Happy Halloween. For today's video, I thought that I would show you guys how I am spending this Halloween with my little wee person that I made. So she's 7 months now, and it's kind of that tricky time where she's too young to actually enjoy trick-or-treating. So I thought I would share a couple steps to really enjoy the festivities. Step number 1, you need to have a baby. Head down to your local karaoke spot and find yourself a man who introduces himself as Max Power.
Max Power, he's the man whose name you'd love to touch, but you mustn't touch.
After 4 years of falling in love, eating too much sushi, and playing enough Call of Duty that you can hear it in your sleep, you're now ready to fall into pregnancy. You then deliver your almost 10-pound baby and you're good to go. Step 2, find some pumpkins. Jump into the car with your Max Powers and your new little bundle and find a pumpkin patch. Toss your $18 away to the merchant and you're in. Place the baby you made in front of a bunch of pumpkins, making sure to get mud all over your freshly washed jeans. Take advantage of all the fun side attractions to ensure that you make up for that $18.
Not very scary.
I saw you get scared. Step number 3 is to have a photo shoot. A part of every new parent's life is the new realization that you'll never have space on your phone again, or your tablet, or your computer. Make sure to add to the collection of billions of photos by grabbing a couple of fall items, your wee little bundle, and have a photo shoot. I was informed that it's standard to put your child into a giant orange fruit. Yes, it's a fruit. So here's that. Step 4 is to make some fun fall flavored foods for your fun little baby. So I quickly made a sweet potato recipe. 3 ingredients: sweet potatoes, coconut oil, and some cinnamon. Preheat the oven to 375. Cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Look how cute it is. Ow. Ow, it's too hot to focus on. Now I find baking sweet potatoes the best way to make baby food. It brings out their natural sweetness and good flavor. Step 5 is to get that workout in. Even though the temptation is there to just stay inside, wrap up in a nice blanket or a ginormous Spider-Man sweater, you just want to stay at home and, just totally Autumn is the best time I find to get your workout in. It's nice and cool out, it's absolutely gorgeous, and you get that fresh air for you and baby. Baby goes to sleep better, you go to sleep better, and then your workout is done. Also, your baby makes an amazing workout buddy. Getting her mom back in shape. Also, exploring your town is just so much fun. You'll realize all the nice little hidden gems, and if you're in Canada like me, it's the last time you can work out before the snow falls. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please leave a comment down below of what you're being this year for Halloween. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support my channel. You can also click the little bell button here to be notified when I upload every Wednesday. If you have any suggestions for next week's video, let me know, and that's it for this week. Spider-Man's out!